So I'm Dean here to demonstrate the operation of the H-2000 molecular hydrogen inhalation device offered by Hue Light USA. We're going to fill up the machine with sterile distilled water. This machine can only use sterile distilled water. So first thing what we're going to do is take the side tube off. And again, the machine is turned off. We don't have the machine on currently. So we're going to take the side tube, fill it up with the sterile distilled water. Okay. We don't want to overfill. We want to make sure that we're closer to the middle of the minimum and maximum lines. Okay. And remember, this screws on counterclockwise. Okay. Very important. Make sure it's snug. Don't over tighten it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift the handle and we're going to fill up the top. Just make sure that your water level is below the maximum line. Very important, because you don't want to overfill it. So we're going to pour sterile water into the top. Again, make sure that the handle is facing at 12 o'clock. Okay. You're going to check your line, make sure that you're below the maximum. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the handle back down, put the stainless steel cylinder on top, and now we're ready to inhale molecular hydrogen. So what we want to do is have our cannula ready. And insert the cannula like this over the ears. This end goes into the little spigot on top. Okay. The device turns on. There's a switch on the back. So we have the machine turned on. Next thing we're going to do is there's plus and minuses for the hours and minutes. We're going to set it for 20 minutes to start. So what's happening is the molecular hydrogen catalyst is being activated, the white, gold, and titanium catalyst, which is creating the hydrogen gas. And you can feel, touch this to your lip, you can feel the airflow. That way you know you're getting a good amount of hydrogen. And just sit down, you want to relax, get comfortable, and enjoy your session.